And here is the top portion of the armor with the 1/6 figure. Alright, today I thought I show you an update of my 3D printed Iron Man Mark 1. As you can see here, it is almost completed. The top half of the armor pieces, as you can see. Over here I have the shoulder armor, the helmet, this chest armor and the back plate, the gauntlet, looking very nice. I do have the this small little door which is supposed to hold on this small little hinge, showing the missile, a small little missile inside his left arm. The right arm also is looking very nice. I actually 3D modeled this whole thing and clean up a lot of these armor pieces. So as you can see, he is very much very well articulated. So I do have the backpack 3D printed, and also I'm still working on the crouch area and also the hips and the legs. Hopefully I can finish this Iron Man Mark 1 and ready for print probably in another week or two. So there you have it, an update of my Iron Man Mark 1 3D printed. Look at that. This is the arm. I can actually attach some kind of holes here. All these wiring works probably need to be done. This one here, actually there's some issue at the tip here. I may need to cut it off and redo, and some crack line here, so that's a bit unfortunate. Probably I can seal it off, no problem at all. Other than that, it does look very nice. Look at the back. So I have actually 3D printed the backpack, quite detailed. Hopefully it can fit in nicely. Look at that. I do have some issue with the helmet, because no matter what I do, the helmet does not fit the head sculpt of a 1/6 figure. I do think that the Hot Toys one, actually they cheat a bit. What they did is they have the Tony Stark head sculpt. The face itself moved in a little bit so that they can fit a slightly smaller helmet. I have resized this helmet for a couple of times and it still can't actually fit the head sculpt because of the nose, this nose piece. So I may have ended up scaling the helmet a little bit much bigger, but at the moment I have not done that. What I have here is actually a head, a soft rubber head, so the head actually is very flexible. I did cut off the nose in order to actually slot in this helmet, so that I can show you the this 1/6 fully wearable armor for Iron Man Mark 1. And here is the top portion of the armor with the 1/6 figure standing up. As you can see, the shoulder and the armor actually has no problem posing. I actually have a slot here in order to tie back to the shoulder, and this gauntlet piece is just cut right below the joint movement, so he will be very well articulated. If you compare with the Hot Toys one, probably you may have a hard time pushing him, but this guy is very pushable. As you can see here, the arms can move no problem at all. Look at that. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, Articulate signing off. Remember to share, subscribe, and spread the love. See you guys next time.